So, Omar, I appreciate you joining us today. Tell us a little bit about Henkel. I know you have a long history in the surface finishing industry. You got a lot of products, a lot of research and development you all do. Tell us a little bit about Henkel and all that you bring to the surface finishing industry.
First of all, good morning, and thank you for the opportunity,
Hmm.
Tim. Henkel is a global leader in metal finishing industry. We serve the industry at various stages of the value chain, starting
Hmm.
at the metal producers, steel mills, aluminum mills. One step down, we work very closely with the coil coaters. One step
Hmm.
down, we work very closely with the original manufacturers of various market segments, including automotive, aerospace, appliances, heavy equipment, metal packaging, building and construction, and various others. We work very closely with the tier suppliers who manufacture parts and components for the OEMs, and we work very closely with the third-party painters, jobbers and
Hmm.
applicators and paint shop who paint parts for the OEMs and for the tier. We at
Gotcha.
Henkel, we
Yeah.
provide very extensive know-how and industry expertise with high-performing sustainable metal finishing solutions. Our portfolio offering, marketed under the brand name of Bondurite, covers a
Hmm.
broad range of technologies, including lubricants, cleaners, coating, metal machining, forming, and stamping solutions. In addition to
Yeah. Yeah.
chemistry,
Go ahead. Yeah.
we also have a range of application equipments and digital process and control that are designed to be integrated with our customers' manufacturing processes. Furthermore, our expert teams consisting of sales engineers, application engineers, supported by product development and various other functions. We work very closely with our customer at the design centers, with the design engineers, at the manufacturing plant, with the process and manufacturing engineers to design and recommend the right technology, chemistry, and equipment and integrated solution to address our customers' unmet need of today while co-designing, co-developing sustainable solution for the future.
Gotcha.
Moreover,
Yeah.
our expert team of technical experts, sales, and technical customer service, we continuously work with our customers to train our customers, to keep them up to speed in terms of knowledge and know-how related to our technologies, chemistry, and application to ensure that we have robust process not only at the installation point, but also throughout the life of our product that's being operated at our customers.
Gotcha. Yeah, good. Yeah, I said you all have a worldwide presence, probably reach probably all the continents, and you've been around. Like I said, you have a very extensive history with that. And I know that something new that you all are doing. It's a new sustainability program called Respect the Planet, Rethink Design. Tell us a little bit about that and those pillars that it evolves around.
Yeah, when it comes to sustainability at Henkel, it's not something new for us.
Hmm.
It has been a core value for Henkel for many years. Actually, our first sustainability report was published back in 1992, more than
Mm.
30 years ago.
Wow. Wow.
When we look at sustainability, we look at it holistically from all dimensions. Not only it's about emission and environment, which is extremely important, but we will also look at it from the standpoint of safety, efficiency, and resource preservation. You talked
Mm.
about our program of Respect the Planet, Rethink Design and Process. We have implemented this program, and we demonstrate through this program how our solutions, chemistry and process, can positively impact our customers and the end users from impact the climate, circularity, safety, nature, and above all, we also continue to deliver high-performing solutions. Uh,
Right.
when we talk about sustainability and sustainable innovation of Henkel for the surface metal finishing industry, we focus on many elements. We focus on elimination of restricted substance and hazardous air pollutants, elimination of heavy metal, the like of elimination of heavy chrome, offering low temperature solutions such as cleaners, and offering differentiated conversion coating technology with integrated equipment and digital tools to really further enable our customer to simplify their processes.
Right.
Our sustainable innovation enable our customer to really simplify their overall process, reduce their manufacturing footprint by reducing the number of steps needed to apply the technology, reduce energy usage, which obviously will lower emission, reduce water consumption, and simplification of their wastewater treatment. And again, above all, we maintain high performance solutions, both technology and applications.
Right.
I'll give you
Right.
one example of that.
Hmm.
We
Yeah, I was going to ask you to
recently,
give me an example of that. Yeah, of how you're doing that. Yeah.
we recently developed and launched a new technology. The name of the technology is Bondurite
Hmm.
M-NT
Okay.
41044. It's a cleaner coater. It combined both cleaning steps and the coating steps in one bath, one stage.
Mm.
Obviously, that will reduce the number of the steps from a metal pretreatment from the typical 9 stages down to about 4 to 5. This
Yes.
process uses 30% less water as compared to the standard process. It reduces energy use by 5 to 6%, while
Mm.
saving depends on the customers and the number of step use and the number of or the type of application, anywhere in the neighborhood of 100 metric tons of CO2 being saved annually. So this
Wow.
is
Okay.
one of many examples in which we, through innovation, has impacted sustainability from different dimensions.
Right. Right. Yeah. It sounds like that there is some benefit to the end user, like you said. If you're reducing the amount of steps and the amount of water usage and those type of things, there is a tremendous benefit to the end users, the shops and the finishers that are using this. Correct.
For sure, sure. I mean, and that sometimes get a little bit fuzzy in terms of how it's being communicated and how it's being calculated. But certainly, if you look at the entire industry, there is an increased consciousness around buying products that are produced with material and processes that are safe to handle and preserve resources. This
Mm.
required tremendous collaboration between all the stakeholders, all the suppliers throughout the value chain. If you take an example of ag and construction equipment OEMs, they have their own sustainability vision and mission and goals. We as Henkel can greatly support those missions and goals by co-innovating and developing and launching technologies, as the example I've given, to enable them to reduce the number of steps, as well as all the elements that comes with reducing energy, water consumption, so on and so forth. We also can support our customers to reduce their scope 3 emission by
Mm.
achieving our own Henkel, our climate positive goal for scopes 1 and 2 by 2030.
Mm.
And overall, if the process are automated, if we reduce the number of steps used, if we reduce the energy being consumed, water reduction, consumption reduction, there's definitely a positive impact on cost for the customers. So, and if you look at it from an overall, I would say, end user perspective, lowering our energy consumption, reducing less emissions,
Mm.
simplifying end of life by eliminating hazardous substances will definitely benefit all, not only our direct customers and their customer, but also the consumers at all.
Right. Right. Yeah. Like I said, definitely something they should be looking at, taking a look at from just doing the right thing, but also, like you said, it sounds like there's a savings to that. So, Omar, I appreciate you joining us. I know that people can visit your website, Henkel. We'll have it on the screen there. Let people visit that. But it's certainly worth a conversation to have. I think from a lot of shops who are looking to do some savings and also to start their own sustainability products process, to have a conversation with you all and really see where they can save some for the environment and also for their own shop. So I appreciate you joining us today with that.
Thank you, Tim. Thank you for your time and really taking thank you for this opportunity.